Alright, I wanted to go over this video for those that keep asking, do I provide the STL files as one whole piece, as multiple sliced components? And to let you know, it's only one whole piece that I send the file in. Depending on your printer and your slicer software is going to depend on how you're capable of printing it as a one whole piece in it. Unfortunately, for my printer, I'm not capable of printing the whole piece completely. Even if I turn this, let's say we change the angle, right, to try to please this here, it's still not within the parameters for me to print this all in one piece. As you can see, the shaded areas here, these areas would not print. So technically, yes, I can get this whole centerpiece printed. This is the Holley 7-inch for the Nissan 350Z platform. As you can see, if you just wanted it like that, you would have these pieces that's in this blue shade not being able to print. So the best way you can do the print here, let's go ahead and change the angle again. Put it back to a full, changed on me real quick. Let's fix this. Alright. Now that we have it on its front part, let's go ahead and turn it 90 degrees. And as you can see here, let's bring it down. You have this shaded area that can't be printed. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top of the toolbox here and go ahead and slice it in half, perform the cut. It's going to have the two pieces sitting there. Then the next thing we're going to do is hit the arrange button, and it's going to arrange the two pieces separate. As you can see there, now you're going to run into a problem where you see this is going to be printed the correct way, whereas the other piece on this end is not sitting properly. So we're going to go ahead and fix that right now. So we're just going to click on that one part right here, and then we're going to go up here to the top of the toolbox to rotate it. And then all we have to do is just rotate that 90 degrees. Excuse me, 180 degrees, not 90 degrees, we'll say 180. All right, there we go. Now we have the whole piece in there. Let's look at the top view to make sure everything's lined up. It's giving us this warning here because this piece is off the edge. So let's go ahead and select that, slide that over, and you'll see that warning go away. There we go. Now the material you're going to print using these, due to the high temperatures in the vehicle, especially right now in the summertime with your dash getting extra hot, is ASA material. So as you see on here, we have it down for ASA, and we're going to go ahead and hit slice, and it's going to let me know based on the parameters how much time it's going to take to print this one dash mount. Taking a little bit long there to process. There we go. Now we're all completed. Now this is saying total amount of filament that's going to be used and total amount of print time that's going to be used based on the settings and support that go for this print. So as you can see, it's going to take quite some time, half a day basically, a little over, to go ahead and print this, and then you would glue the two sides together, or if you have a soldering tool where you can heat it up, you can actually melt the material together so it looks like one whole piece. But if you're fortunate to have a bigger printer size, like the Bamboo, what is it, H2S I believe is the model, or I may have the brand incorrect, where their print space is 356 millimeter by 356 by 356. If you have that kind of printer or bigger, then you'll be able to print this all in one piece. You won't need to split it in two parts like I have to on my printer. So I hope this explained questions you guys have regarding this, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me via email or right here in the comments or on the YouTube channel in the comment section. Thank you for watching.